Oh, yeah. This nigga, I hope he didn't fall. Just ride it. Ride it, bro. It's easier.
Bro, ride it.
Oh, fuck. I got caught in like a ditch shit.
What? You said what?
I got caught in like a thing where I couldn't move.
You gotta keep throttle. You can't like gotta go slow, nigga.
Hey, put this bitch in sport. Hey.
You got it, bro. You got it. You got it. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. You got it. Lean forward a little bit. Lean forward. Keep it straight. Use some muscle. Yeah. 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 More.